Families were seen thronging the markets, trying to choose the perfect Ganesha for the festivities in their house.
I normally look for eco-friendly idols, which are generally easy to dissolve in water. I normally don't go to any rivers or lakes. I always keep 2 buckets outside the house, which can dissolve overnight, and the same thing is kept into my garden. So I look for definitely Ganesha that are eco-friendly. So hopefully this year also I'm taking this, but it's a watercolor, so it's not going to harm my plants or the environment. It's been my pleasure to keep Gauri Ganesh every year. The last 35 years, although I'm a Punjabi from the north, born and bred in the south and married a South Indian. So Ganesha is one of their biggest festivals that we like celebrating.
A significant change in the market this time around was the increase in the number of eco-friendly idols that were up for sale. Many buyers were seen choosing the idols that would do no harm to the environment.
Well, I've come here to buy some Ganesha idols with a friend of mine, who's again, as you said, as you saw, she's a Punjabi, and I'm really glad I could accompany her. I hope people will start looking at idols which are pollution free, which are made of soil, not with POP and other material which will basically destroy our environment. And I wish everybody a very happy Ganesha festival.
One of the highlights was the Narendra Modi Ganesha, also called the Budget Ganesha, that drew a lot of attention. The bus Ganesha also left several customers amused. While buyers were in awe of the various Ganeshas that were on display, the idol makers were working hard at making bigger and better Ganeshas. The artists take just 2 months break every year, and the remaining 10 months are involved in designing and making the gorgeous idols. Well, right now we are inside the godown where these marvelous Ganeshas are made, and behind me is an 18-foot tall Ganesha. Believe it or not, this Ganesha is one of the biggest Ganeshas I have ever seen, and it has the smallest of details that has been embedded into it. Right here in the trunk we can see that Lord Shiva has been carved into. Lord Shiva is made there, who is Ganesha's father. You have an Om right above in the same trunk. The design that has been made is in the shape of Om, and including the jewelry, the kind of clothes that the Ganesha idol is wearing, the crown, the necklace, everything is so beautifully decorated. The kind of colors that have been used, the kind of chamkis and the shimmery material that has been used to make all the jewelry is absolutely mind-blowing. Well, we cannot in fact count the number of months of preparation that could have possibly gone into designing and making this particular Ganesha idol. Even the Ganesha's ears have been decorated with some sort of a jewelry, absolutely beautifully made. The finishing is so precise and so clear, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Well, right here we have a pearl white Ganesha. It's not as big as the 18-foot tall one, but it is fairly huge. It is entirely in white, and it has a contrasting pink coral finish to it with a beautiful golden crown. Spectacular Ganesha there that we see. Of course, there are many other Ganeshas that are still in progress that the artists are continuing to make, even as people are coming in to buy these Ganeshas. Right here we have an artist who is working on one such Ganesha. भैया ये कितना months लिया आपको ये बनाने के लिए?
8 महीने हो गए।
8 महीने?
8 महीने।
ये बस एक बनाने के लिए?
नहीं, 100 बनाने को।
100 बनाने को 8 महीने। और इतना बड़ा गणेशा बनाने के लिए कितना वक्त लगता है?
ये अभी एक दिन में होता है। एक दिन में होता है, वो तो सुबह होता है अभी।
और आप बनाते हैं और पेंटिंग कोई और करता है?
पेंटिंग करते हैं, फिनिशिंग कर को पेंट करना पड़ता है इसको।
Okay, well, there we have it. Now they are quite experts at that it's taken them just a day to make such a huge Ganesha, and in a span of 8 months, they make almost 100 Ganeshas. Well, that is a mind-boggling number. Right here you have another big Ganesha, and on the crown, if you see the detail, the attention to detail that has gone into making that Shiva, right from the way it's painted, the way the muscles have been painted, and it's a very, very small Shiva, but the way it has been made and it has been painted and the finishing is absolutely perfect, we must say. Well, if we just go inside this go-down, each and every Ganesha will just let your jaws drop down. In fact, we have one of the painters right here who's continuing to paint the Ganesha idol, and here he's giving the finishing touches to the rat, which is Ganesha's Vahana, and he's drawing it freehand, mind you. There is no stencil, there is no marking, there is nothing as such. It is all freehand drawing, and he seems almost like an expert. He's a professional painter, of course, but what talent, well, we must say. Let's just have a word with him. Of course, we do not want to disturb him. We'll just ask him if he would like to just share his secret with us to draw so beautifully. Bhaiya, ये आप फ्री हैंड ड्रॉ करते हो हर बारी, और एक इतना बड़ा गणेशा पेंट करने के लिए आप कितना टाइम लेते हो?
मैं 1 दिन लगता है मुझे पूरा पेंट करने का।
तो आप कितने महीने से काम कर रहे हो?
हम इधर 8 महीने से काम कर रहे हैं।
और यहाँ पर कोई मार्किंग नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस आप फ्री हैंड, आपको जो मर्जी आप वैसे पेंट कर सकते हैं। आप कितने साल से इस
मैं अभी मेरे पिताजी से हमारे काम करते हैं हम।
तो आप कितने साल से कर रहे हैं?
मैं 25 साल से मैं इसमें ही हूँ। 25 साल से। ओके।
From 25 years, he's been making and painting Ganesha idols. Well, and his family is into the same business. Well, absolutely mind-blowing there. But if you just look inside, right here inside this Godan, you'll see many, many more Ganeshas. In fact, these are the Ganesha idols, and this one is a massive one right here. You have Shiva and Parvati amalgamated into one figure. This particular figure is half Shiva, it's half Parvati, and of course they are the parents of Lord Ganesha. They're sitting on top of Nandi right here. Right next to Lord Ganesha. It is a complete family portrait, it's a complete family idol. It's not just Lord Ganesha's idol, but it's a complete family that has been depicted here. And if you just look this side, the idols just get bigger and bigger. One would really be amazed to know how long or how much time and how much dedication it actually took to make such beautiful Ganesha idols. While many would feel that the youngsters are not particularly enthusiastic about Ganesha festivities, then let us tell you that they are wrong. Many youngsters were seen enthusiastically choosing Ganeshas for the special occasion.
Basically, the normal Ganesha, the normal Murti. Every year we do in our hostel. We are from RV Dental College. So actually, people prefer eco-friendly Ganesha, but still we are preferring this because it has a nice finish, and people, students prefer the look of the idol also.
And passing by, I saw many Ganeshas here by left side of the road, right side of the road. It was very nice seeing those Ganeshas.
Actually, I am from out of station. Actually, I am not a native of Bangalore. So when in my hometown there are Ganeshas, but these many or no, I didn't see also. These types of Ganesha I didn't see anywhere, like superhero, Spider-Man Ganesha, and Shivaji Ganesha also there. So it's very happy to see that.
Well, certainly the city has worn a festive look on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, and the adorable elephant god is here to fill your hearts with love and adoration. Well, the festive spirit has well and truly set in, and with the number of Ganeshas that we got to see today, we can safely say that devotees this time around are spoiled for choice. But you too should fulfill your responsibility and choose a Ganesha that will probably not harm the environment. We're pretty sure even Ganesha would want that. We wish all our viewers a very happy and safe Ganesh Chaturthi. With camera person Sushil, this is Nishchita for News 9.